G'day, I'm Connor Hunter. I am the production manager here in Wangara in WA for STG Global. I'm also an engineer for STG and have been working for them for about 4.5 years. I've really enjoyed working for STG, particularly working for Ross. Yeah, particularly Ross, he's so tenacious that really rubs off, and having been able to work directly under him really guided me as far as management, and him and STG as a whole have really given me the tools to do so. There's always lots of interesting challenges to solve, really good staff, great people to work with, overall fun place to work. So my day starts by touching base with all the boys in the workshop, making sure they've got everything they need for the day, making sure the workshop is prepared for the day. I like to have trust in my guys and give them some amount of freedom. I don't need to be there constantly, which is great because I do a lot of other things, talking to people technically on behalf of sales, still very much involved in engineering. My day is constantly evolving, which is part of the fun. We're very much involved in constant improvement. When there is an issue, we can react to it really dynamically. Probably being part of an effective team is my favourite part. We go out for dinner with the boys, we spend time together on the weekends outside of work. Western Australia has massive potential. It also has lots of challenges that will, in the long run, improve our product. And yeah, a lot of it's already rolled through to general improvements over the whole product. There is a few WA specific things. It's going to be, I think, probably one of our biggest markets, but amongst the most challenging, but also the most rewarding. So since I've moved to WA, I've gotten back into cycling quite a bit. I've got a few of the boys into coming with me. I've been going to the gym a fair bit, do some powerlifting. They are Australian engineered for Australian conditions, which particularly over here in WA and some of the remote parts of Queensland and Northern Territory are particularly harsh. So when we do venture into somewhere we haven't been before and it throws a curly one at us, we can immediately react and re-engineer our product in a very short time frame to meet those demands.